Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Hope you are well. Today video is about how to get rid of acne fast. अपने घर के अंदर बगैर किसी चीज़ को इस्तेमाल किए हुए कुदरती तौर पर किस तरह आप छुटकारा पा सकते हैं अपनी एक्नी से। बहुत ही सिंपल होम रेमेडीज़ बताने वाली हूँ मैं आपको। एलोवेरा जेल हैज़ antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties which helps to treat acne. It can be used on its own or with the combination of other natural products. In this video, I will tell you 7 ways of using aloe vera along with other natural products to get rid of acne fastly. It is true that not all methods will work for everyone, but aloe vera is very gentle on skin, so there is low risk to try it. First way is pure aloe vera gel. You can use pure aloe vera gel instead of a traditional cleanser to prevent acne breakouts. The antibacterial agent in the aloe vera remove bacteria from the skin and it will reduce the risk of spot developing. Aloe vera gel has antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Second method is aloe vera and lemon juice. Citric acid found in lemon juice may also help to treat acne. You can make a mask by mixing aloe vera and lemon juice in an 1:8 ratio. Apply this mask for 10 minutes. 1 चम्मच एलोवेरा जेल के अंदर थोड़ा सा लेमन जूस डाल के अपने चेहरे के ऊपर 10 मिनट के लिए लगाएं और उसके बाद साफ़ पानी से अपना मुंह धो लें. थर्ड मेथड इट्स cinnamon, honey and aloe vera. Make a mask from honey, cinnamon and aloe vera. Cinnamon and honey has similar antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties like aloe vera. To make a cinnamon, honey and aloe vera mask, take 1 teaspoon aloe vera, 2 teaspoon honey and 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon in a bowl. Apply mask on face for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash off with water. Fourth method is aloe vera and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil gel and face washes are effective for acne. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. Mix them well. This is the best cleansing solution. Clean your face with the solution. Fifth method is aloe vera spray. Spraying the skin with a diluted aloe vera solution. It helps hydrate the skin without causing extra oil production or shine. Mix 2 parts of water and 1 part of aloe vera to make a spray. The solution can be placed in a spray bottle and sprayed onto the affected area, avoiding the eye area. Sixth method is coconut oil, sugar and aloe vera scrub. Many exfoliants contain chemicals. To avoid chemical, you can make your own scrub using a combination of coconut oil, sugar and aloe vera. The grains in sugar remove the dead skin and key component of the coconut oil help to fight acne. Make a scrub using equal parts of sugar and coconut oil and half of aloe vera. Apply it on the affected area and then rinse off. Avoid exfoliating too regularly. It is my try and tested method. And always consult a doctor before using exfoliating cream or acne. अपनी एक्नी को छाड़ करने से पहले या उसके ऊपर एक्सफोलिएट करने से पहले डॉक्टर से ज़रूर कंसल्ट करें. 7th method is creams. Aloe vera Aloe vera is a common ingredient in many creams, especially in acne cream. It is good to use cream containing aloe vera as a part of the everyday routine. पिंपल से और एक्नी से बचने के लिए आप इन 7 मेथड्स में से कोई भी मेथड्स रेगुलरली इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Like and share this video and also comments below. तमाम हमदो सना उस रब के लिए जिसकी रहमत से नाउमीद नहीं, जिसकी नेमतों से दामन खाली नहीं, जिसकी मग़फ़िरत से मायूसी नहीं और जिसकी रहमतों का फैज़ान कभी रुकता नहीं. अल्लाह पाक आपका और हम सब का दामन खुशियों से भर दे. आमीन. This is the end of the video. Bye.